Hello everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to
Season Beauties.
Thank you so much for deciding to spend some time with us on today. To those of you who've never been here before, thank you for coming to check us out. And for those of you who are ride or die, who just come by to check us out from time to time, or are actual subbies, thank you so much for... Am I boring you?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you so much for coming back. Well, if you are not subscribed,
You should have been subscribed a long time ago.
to this channel, we're going to give you a few seconds to go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
10, 9,
9 and a half.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Now, the reason for this video on today is to unbox the
CurlBox. There's nothing curly about it. Where's the curls?
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, that was good, Keegan. Okay.
Good job.
So, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I know this is different. It's usually just me that's unboxing whatever it is. However, because I've just gone through a procedure a couple of days ago, these wonderful people right here, this girl group trio right here.
Who are very troublesome.
Okay, you heard her say it. I didn't have to. But they decided to help me because I was having such a hard time. So, thank you very much.
And we also...
Number 1, number 2, and number 3. I appreciate it.
Let's go.
I appreciate it. So, we're going to open up this box. They're going to tell you about the products. I just want to let you know what our description cards say. This one says CurlBox, Nappily Ever After. See?
They're napping?
No. That was the name of the movie. It was Nappily Ever After. And since then, hair care products for the natural beauties have increased. So, we're just going to start out with the Curlfriends. And it says, hey, Curlfriend, tell us what you think. Hey, Curlfriend, hey, Curlfriend, hey, Curlfriend. So they've decided to help me on today. So, thank you so much for tuning in. And we do hope that you decide to take part in the CurlBox. If you do decide that you want to try, there will be a link in the description box below where you can go ahead and sign up and receive this CurlBox for yourself. After you see exactly what's in here, you will say, what took me so long to subscribe? Okay? Thank you so much.
Let's get right into the video.
You heard it here first.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Legend, and today the products that I will be unboxing are the olive oil smooth and hold pudding with coconut oil and the hold and shine wrap set mousse with coconut oil. The first one, I think I'll do the hold and shine wrap set mousse. This is what it looks like. There's an original look for it, and I think it's in the book, I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like now. So when you buy it, it's obviously for your hands, so there's no reason to say that. It is infused with coconut oil for restorative shine, tames frizz, adds body, and fast drying. And this, it says new on the side. I'm pretty sure you saw that. The other one is the Style and Curl Defining Smooth and Hold Pudding infused with coconut oil for restorative shine, adds body, enhances curl, and eliminates frizz. If you don't like it, use it. It's the original root simulator, and it says great for curls, ponytails, two-strand twist, and braids and updos. This is what the top of it looks like, and this is what the bottom of it looks like.
Good job.
And these are the two products together. And there is, I'm not sure which one goes first. One of them goes first. We're gonna see what this smells like, and we're gonna look at the consistency. It's soap. I've smelled this before. I just don't know what it smells. It's coconut. So I'm gonna just put this on some braids. Just rub it in like that. It smells really good.
Your hair's nice and shiny.
And here's the other one. It is the Smooth and Hold pudding. It's not for eating, even though it says pudding. Don't eat it. But it is coconut oil, and it is good for updos and ponytails and curls and two-strand twists and braids. Thank you for watching. This is the olive oils.
Hi, my name is Keegan, and I am going to unbox the olive oil edge control hair gel and infused with sweet almond oil for straightening. It helps straighten the edges and protect hairline, repair, restore, and revive. Formulated without parabens, alcohol, mineral oil, sulfates, and silicones.
Good job.
The size is 2.15 ounces, and it looks very nice.
Good job.
Smells very good. Smells like almonds. This product helps slade the edges. Thanks for watching.
Okay, my name is Suren, and I will be unboxing these two products I would like to show you guys. I have a feeling it's going to be very good, and it will help you with the problems with your hair. And these are the bottles. These are what they look like. And this is what it looks like. It's shampoo that is supposed to remove product buildup. It also leaves the hair soft and tangle free. And it is for natural and relaxed hair. This will be good for you. It is 12¼ ounces. And this is the conditioner that I was going to review, and it smells really good in my opinion. This is what it looks like. And it is supposed to help restore your dry and damaged hair. It is also made without sulfate, mineral oil, and parabens. This is also used to help replenish the moisture and repair the damaged hair. It leaves the hair soft, tangle-free, and more manageable as well. For people who do have, just like the other product, natural and relaxed hair, and also this one can be used for people who have color treated hair as well. The size for this bottle is 12.25 ounces, and I hope that you can be able to do your hair with these products in the near future. Have fun and enjoy.
Good job. Thank you so much. I appreciate you spending time with us on today. Say thank you to my little girls, my little ladies, my Curlfriends for assisting me with this video. Now, this was such a good box, y'all. I'm telling you, I actually love the booklet that came with this month's CurlBox, okay? Because it had such nice hairstyles in here. Look at this. My granddaughter told me, she says, oh, I could rock this one. I'm telling you, it was just a very well put together box. The graphics, the picture. Oh, I'm definitely feeling this one. You know, and it gave you a wonderful explanation of all the different types of products that are in this line. And maintenance must-haves to cleanse, condition, and moisturize. Styling solutions to hold, curl, and shine. Styling solutions to protect, control, and shine. And straightening solutions to smooth, soften, and elongate. Now, beautiful hair comes in all types, not stereotypes. So, until next time, thank you so much for watching here at Season Beauties, and our CurlBox for the month of September looks like this. That's quite a few products, y'all. Quite a few. So, if you'd like to try out CurlBox for yourself, don't forget to hit the link in the description box below. Now, always remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.